Hey, gorgeous souls! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to unlock and nurture your feminine energy. And guess what? It doesn't have to be hard. This is about tapping into your inner power, your intuition, your creativity, and that radiant magnetic energy that draws in all the good stuff. So, are you ready to ditch the struggle and embrace the flow? Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to embark on a beautiful journey together. All right, love bugs, let's dive into step 1, identifying and embracing your unique feminine qualities. There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to feminine energy. So what makes you feel feminine? Maybe it's slipping into a flowy dress, dancing to your favorite music, or creating something beautiful with your hands. Or maybe it's expressing yourself through heartfelt words, nurturing those around you, or simply taking time for yourself to recharge and reconnect. What matters is that you give yourself permission to explore and celebrate all the amazing qualities that make you uniquely you. Grab your journal and pen, or open up a fresh note on your phone, and let's start uncovering your magic. Ask yourself, what are 5 qualities that make me feel feminine and powerful? What activities bring out my inner goddess? Write them down and own them. All right, beautiful souls, let's talk about step 2, self-care and self-love. You can't pour from an empty cup. When you prioritize your well-being, you're essentially hitting the recharge button on your feminine energy. So, what does self-care actually look like? It can be as simple as taking a long, luxurious bath with candles and essential oils, or treating yourself to a delicious meal made with love. It could be going for a walk in nature, getting lost in a good book, or spending quality time with people who light you up. It's about making a conscious choice every single day to nourish your mind, body, and spirit. It's about setting boundaries, saying no to things that drain your energy, and saying yes to things that make your heart sing. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. When you fill your own cup first, you create a ripple effect of love and positivity that touches everyone around you. Okay, gorgeous souls, let's dive into step 3. Tapping into the power of your emotions and intuition. Society often tells us to suppress our feelings, to be strong and rational. But here's the truth. Your emotions are your superpower. They're your inner compass, guiding you towards what feels good and what needs your attention. And when it comes to feminine energy, intuition is where it's at. It's that quiet whisper in your heart, that gut feeling that never steers you wrong. So how do you connect with your emotions and intuition? Start by creating space for stillness in your day. Whether it's through meditation, journaling, or simply taking a few deep breaths in nature, find what helps you quiet your mind and tune into your inner world. Pay attention to your body's signals. What emotions are you feeling? Where do you feel them in your body? Don't judge your emotions. Just observe them with curiosity and compassion. Start trusting those gut feelings. That little voice inside knows what's up, even when your mind is trying to convince you otherwise. All right, amazing souls, let's talk about step 4, surrounding yourself with supportive people. The people you spend your time with have a huge impact on your energy and your overall well-being. If you're surrounded by negative, draining people, it's going to be tough to blossom into your most radiant, feminine self. But when you surround yourself with people who lift you up, who celebrate your wins, and who hold space for you when you're feeling down, something magical happens. You feel supported, seen, and loved for who you truly are. So take a look at your current circle of influence. Who are the people who make you feel good about yourself? Who are the ones who inspire you to be your best self? Make a conscious effort to spend more time with these amazing humans. Remember, you deserve to be surrounded by people who love you, support you, and inspire you to shine your brightest light. Okay, creative spirits, let's dive into step 5, engaging in creative activities. When I say creative, I'm not just talking about painting or sculpting. I'm talking about anything that sparks your joy, anything that allows you to express yourself freely and tap into your inner wellspring of inspiration. It could be dancing, singing, writing, cooking, gardening, or anything that lights you up from the inside out. The key is to find what makes your heart sing, and to make time for it in your life, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. When you engage in creative activities, you tap into a different part of yourself, a place of pure joy, flow, and inspiration. You connect with your intuition, you quiet your mind, and you allow yourself to simply be present in the moment. So, what creative activities light you up? What have you always wanted to try but haven't given yourself permission to explore? Make a commitment to yourself to carve out some time for creativity this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on nurturing your feminine energy. Remember, beautiful souls, embracing your feminine energy is a journey, not a destination. It's about embracing all the amazing qualities that make you uniquely you and allowing yourself to shine brightly from within. So go out there, embrace your power, and create a life you love.